So here is the mock-up for the Bears with Guns game, and these are all just on these kind of plasticky cards that you can write on with Sharpie. And so I just wrote on this with small Sharpie, and we have a whole bunch of cards. And so this is the deck that we've been playing with and testing this out for about 5 months or so. And so we have things like Frying Pan that has +1 attack, things like Downgrades that -1 on any dice roll, an action card that you can play called Milk that gives you +2 HP, kind of heals you. We have this small little rules chart, and then we have the actual bear characters, which were drawn by my kids. And yeah, so not getting too crazy about the art. We're mostly just trying to make sure the game works. And we've made lots and lots of changes and stuff over the past few months. So clarifying things like, oh, well, this does +1 damage, but you ignore defense. This one rolls +3, but only when your attack actually works. This used to be an upgrade, but instead it's an action card now. Or this was to say no weapons, but your HP is +4. This is you have to discard all your weapons and make your HP +4. So then we have our rules, just so we don't forget. We have a bunch of dice that I just got from like a 100 dice pack from Amazon. Just regular thin Sharpies. These cards you can get on Amazon for like $10. You can get like, I think it's like 240 cards or something. And so we just have a huge pile of these cards, and we've been playing with this deck over and over and over. We've taken a bunch of cards out, we've added cards, we've clarified things. And so we're finally to the point where, you know, at least with this small audience, it's maybe not the very best test audience, but it's good enough, I think, to go for my first game. I feel pretty confident that it is a fun game, and it's relatively well balanced, and it's pretty easy to understand. And so it's all those things, and it functionally works really well. So now it's just a matter of making the art and everything a little bit better and making this look like a real game.